When I'm looking for something good to make for a weeknight meal, I like to make these smothered turkey meatballs. Let me show you how I made them. In a bowl with ground turkey, we're going to add in all of our spices with a lightly beaten egg and panko breadcrumbs. Mix everything together well, but be sure to not overmix. Once mixed, grab about a tablespoon of our mixture and roll into meatballs. Then set on a parchment lined tray and refrigerate for about 30 minutes. In a skillet on medium heat, we're going to add in some oil. Once our oil is hot, we're going to toss in our meatballs. We want to brown our meatballs on each side for a couple minutes to get some color. Once done, remove from the skillet, slightly reduce the heat, and add in butter. Once the butter is melted, add in sliced onions and green bell peppers. Sprinkle in a pinch of salt and saute for a couple minutes. Add in some minced garlic and cook for another minute. Then we want to sprinkle in some flour a little at a time and mix in until fully incorporated. Then we want to pour in some chicken broth and mix in until our gravy has thickened. Toss our meatballs in and fully coat in the gravy. Then we want to cover and simmer for a few minutes until fully cooked and enjoy.